How to add a comment to any file on Microsoft OneDrive. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so easy and simple. Go to OneDrive, choose the file that you want to add comment to. For example, I'm going to choose this one. Click here on those three dots and click on the comment option, the third one, like this. Now you can add a comment from here, as you can see, and click send. And as you can see, I just added my comment. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.